Promotion of Local and Oral History of San Joaquin by James Thomas Revento. We will discover and explore the history of San Joaquin from the past into this present day. The history of San Joaquin, according to Maragata's legend, begin when 10 Malayan chieftains or datos together with their families, warriors, and slaves on board 10 binidays, both for sea travel. This took place in the later part of the 12th century. 700 years later, the Treaty of Paris of 1898 ended the Spanish-American War. As a result, San Joaquin was annexed to the municipality of Miagao in 1904 for purposes of efficient administration under American Knight. San Joaquin, to her former status, in virtue of the Executive Order No. 21, Series of 1910, issued by the American Military Governor-General, San Joaquin became a municipality on December 10, 1910. At that time, Panay Island was inhabited by the Atis or Negritos, under the rule of King Maricudo and Queen Maniwagtiwang, the Tuputi and his men. Instead of subduing Chieftain Maricudo and the lowly Atis, a negotiation successfully took place at the Ibidayan Rocks, Nagbuan, San Joaquin, Iloilo. Now a historical site, after the transaction was sealed, the Atis retreated to the mountains and the Malay took complete control of the lowland. The San Joaquin Church, built during the Spanish era in the late 1800s. The Church of San Joaquin and Poblacion has become the Iloilo symbols of the victory of good over evil. San Joaquin Church was erected with the help of a famous sculptor, guilds, masons, and celebrated craftsmen and the painters from Mexico and Spain. The construction of San Joaquin Church was completed in 1869 during the Spanish colonization era by Augustinians. The convent of San Joaquin Church was left in ruins after the World War II, leaving its noted well and kiln which were used for baking. The construction of San Joaquin Cemetery was commenced by Fray Mariano Bomba, the last Augustinian parish priest of the town in 1892. A statue of Jesus with his arms outstretched stands on the top of the Baroque-style gate, and on each side of Christ, two columns with angelic figures are poised as guards. The San Joaquin Camposanto is a Roman Catholic cemetery situated in town of San Joaquin in Iloilo, Philippines. It is designated as a natural cultural treasure of the National Museum of the Philippines, together with San Joaquin Church. The cemetery is under the jurisdiction of the Archdiocese of Haro. According to the story, Pasongay was started during the Spanish era. It was begun when two raging bulls were set loose by the herdsman or the cowkeeper. The fight was witnessed by the farmer resting in the hillside. The farmers were amused on what they have seen. San Joaquin, Iloilo. As a grand opening salvo for its religious fiesta, thousands of people will descend on the historic town keen to be a spectator of the annual Pasungay, Carabao or Water Buffalo fight held as a part of an ancient tradition celebrated every third Saturday of January. Bailuay Festival. The celebration of Bailuay opened up a window in the lives of our forebears. There are beliefs, there are traditions, there are customs, and there are ceremonies. In a small way, we are able to see the connection between their lives hundreds of years ago and the present. This festivity is part of San Joaquin culture. Bailuay, coined from Ilocano word bailo or barter or to exchange, is a folk history festival that commemorates the flight of the 10 Bornean datos from Borneo to the island of Panay using their binidays or boats. It is said that sometimes in the first half of the 13th of the datos purchased the land from the Neta chieftain Maricudo for the golden salakot and manangyad or a golden necklace. The tradition of making bande originated in the town of San Joaquin, more specifically in one of the barangays named Kianan. Along the roadside of Barangay Kianan, several shops selling bande and other similar sweet delicacies can be seen. The Rain Farm Pilgrimage Resort in San Joaquin, Iloilo is a farm, a leisure park, and a retreat place all in one, located an hour and a half from Iloilo City, a place where you can breathe fresh air and find peace.
Malago ka sa Banwa, sa Banwa kang San Joaquin, sa lugar mo din ako nagalit. Dali kita pupunta, ang mga manggat kakabong Banwa. Dali kita, iririmaw ta. Dali kita, tingin kita, ipabugal aton Banwa. Banwa nga matauhay, malinang kag masadiya. Dali kita, tingin niya, bulawanan niya karaya. Palangga upang San Joaquin, iho. Festival Ihoy San Joaquin Suman Festival Ihoy San Joaquin Silyo sa Tolino Ihoy San Joaquin Dali kita